Hello friend, today I have taken one topic from Indian economy. The name of the topic is structural causes of poverty. The per capita income of India is $2,000. The USA's per capita income is $60,000. So India is very poor if we compare with the USA. For poverty, there are many reasons. But in this video, we will focus on structural causes of poverty. In one of my video, I had used the terms like forces or means of production. This term is used while explaining the structural causes of poverty in this video. So the most important structural cause of poverty is associated with unequal distribution of forces or means of production, mainly land and capital. Such unequal distribution of land and capital results in poor people facing to a limited supply of forces of production. This makes them very difficult to participate in the process of economic growth. Claim of poverty reduction due to economic growth are largely based on assessment of benefits accrued or received by the section of population possessing some means of production. These means of production may be land, equipment, or other forms of petty capital. Poor people lack these means of production. So, these peoples have to sell their low skilled or unskilled labor to earn the livelihood. These people don't get any benefit from the increased growth rate of the economy. According to Brenman, the economist, high level of economic growth in Indian economy in recent past have greatly benefited upper and middle class who are having means of production or formal sector of employment. The remaining large section of population is engaged in informal employment, has not been able to participate in the economic growth process. To conclude, to reduce the poverty, a huge investment is required in skilling the poor people so that they can improve their earning. So through all this discussion, we can understand the structural causes of poverty. Thank you for watching my video.